Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. In today's video, we're going to be delving into 6 of the best free certification that you can take to kickstart your career. There are numerous benefits to having certification. Having certification can help you have competitive advantage over other applicants, and also it gives you professional credibility, whether you're looking into changing your position or you want to go into a new field. Keep in mind that this certification are not limited to just professionals. Whether you're a student or you're a beginner, this video is for you. Number 1 certification is data analytics. Data analysts, they create reports using data. They use different tools like Power BI, Tableau, SQL to create reports. To do that, you just need to go to this website. One very good thing about data analytics certificate is that data-driven decision-making has become the standard for modern businesses. The US BLS predict that there will be a 33% growth in this role until 2031. As a data analyst, even for beginners, the expected salary is from $65K and upward, depending on your experience. Number 2 is digital marketing. Digital marketers use website data. For example, they use Google Analytics to be able to analyze how users are behaving on a website. The regular salary is starting from $40,000 upward.
This certification is also being offered by Google and is being led by a top instructor from Google Career Certificate. All you have to do is just to click this enroll button as well, and then you can get started.
Number 3 is project management. Project managers are in charge of taking care of a project. Basically, they take care of the timeline, all the resources that is needed to make sure the project is delivered on time. They make from $74,000 to $120,000. Project management is in high demand because a lot of organizations are trying to improve the way they operate, and project management is the best way to deliver those changes.
This is another popular certification with almost 1.5 million people already enrolled for this course. And you can see here that it's free. It's been led by Google, and you just have to click this enroll for free button. If you already signed into Coursera, this should take you to the actual course page and you can get started.
Next is cybersecurity certification. The salary for this starts from $64,000 for beginners. This certification is valuable because it demonstrates an individual understanding of the best practices, technology, and processes involved in cybersecurity. Next is human resources certification. The salary for this for beginners starts from $54,000. HR are responsible for a wide range of activities in the company, which include employee relations, recruitment, onboarding, and benefits. And lastly, Facebook social media specialist. Companies are looking for ways to connect with their users, especially on social media, and they need someone to be able to help them carry out all those campaigns. With this, companies are able to reach their users better. Their salary is from $48,000 and upward. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've now seen that from the comfort of your home, you can get certified for free. I have put a link to all the certification in the description box below. Please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.